Okay, it's day 5 of the Revelation verse by verse. We got our friendly neighbor here. Pretty horse. Today is the Benediction of Revelation. Day 5, the Benediction of Revelation. We're going to read Revelation 1 verse 3. Blessed is he who reads and those who hear the words of this prophecy and keep those things which are written in it, for the time is near. Revelation 1 verse 3. Money doesn't buy happiness, but researchers have learned which kinds of people are consistently happy. Sorry about that. Wind's going. And one known group are those who practice their faith. This comes as no surprise to students of the Bible, for inspiration declared it so in today's verse. The Greek word for blessed is makarios, the same word Christ used in his Sermon on the Mount. It means happy. There are 7 such blessings in the book of Revelation. Revelation 1 verse 3, 14 verse 13, 16 verse 15, 19 verse 9, 20 verse 6, 22 verse 7, and 22 verse 14. Notice that those who are blessed are not just hearers, they must be keepers as well. What does it mean to keep God's word? Obey it. Keep those things in your heart. Hebrews 8 verse 10. In keeping them there is great reward. Psalms 19 verse 11. Yes, happy people practice their faith. When they hear Christ's voice, they follow him. John 10 verse 27. As James explained, be doers of the word and not hearers only, deceiving yourselves. James 1 verse 22. Today's verse also gives evidence as to the intent of this book. The Revelation was meant to be read by others, most immediately by the members of 7 churches. Revelation 1 verse 4. Which John lists later in chapters 2 and 3. In the early Christian church, it was customary for one person to read such correspondence aloud to the entire congregation. Thus there was one who reads and many who hear. But make no mistake, Revelation's prophecies are for all of us, from the believers in the first century all the way down to today. If you read through the last chapter of Revelation, you will find similarity to this first chapter. For instance, compare Revelation 1 verse 1 with 22 verse 6, and today's verse with 22 7 and 10. Like 2 bookends, these Alpha and Omega chapters underscore the urgency of understanding and believing these prophetic messages. They are indeed like their spiritual author, faithful and true. The future events disclosed in them will indeed occur soon, for Christ is coming quickly, and we are called to not seal the words, but to herald them to the whole world. The prayer. Dear Jesus, let me not forget your prophetic words here, nor my purpose in this time of urgency. May we follow you in the way of true happiness. For further study, Matthew 7:24, Luke 11:28, and Romans 13 verse 11. I hope you enjoyed the horse today and have a blessed day.